Let's check this out over here though. We gotta remember too, these barnacles are sharp. But with finesse, a little bit of prior knowledge about where I'm going. Hopefully not too much cockiness, but a little bit. And I am up. This is still very, very slippery. And so be extremely careful. When these rocks are dry though, I go up and down these things all day, every day, man, I swear. I can get up there. Right now I probably could too, but I don't know if I want to. These guys down there are a little wild. They're going over there another one. There's still water. Kind of crazy. But for me, I'll be sticking over here. This is the view.